I'm back for right now.
What's good, everybody? It's your boy Oasi, and today we're gonna hit it with a little bit of Chef's Kiss, Code Song for G Fuel, Some Ordinary Gamers, Mutahar, whatever. Virtual machines. Yeah. Did you know you could run a virtual machine on your Android? Yeah, you could do that. And today I'm going to show you. As you can see here, we have your boy's Android on the screen. It's shaking. The camera shakes. This cat. I have a cat. Guys, I have a cat. You like kittens? It's a kitty. His name Biddy. Biddy. As you can see here, we have your boy's Android device on the screen. We have that. Yes. So for this purpose, what we're going to need are 3 apps. We're going to need, what's it called? We're going to need termux. What termux is basically a terminal. Okay, let me start from the beginning. Android is basically Linux backed by Google. It's literally, if you know what Linux is, it's another operating system, except it's not necessarily like Microsoft or Apple in that it's not backed by some giant corporation. However, Android is. It's backed by Google. But Android is just Linux that Google took and was like, yeah, let's just rework it, make it work on smartphones. That's all Android is. So you can create a terminal app and it'll do basically what regular Linux distribution does. Termux is that app. It does the terminal thing, so you can use it like a regular Linux device, computer operating system thing. Yeah, because we're doing a virtual machine on the Android device, what we're going to need is the second operating system, and for that we are going to use andronix. This is basically Linux on Android without root, it says. Literally all it does is just it downloads a Linux operating system onto your device. It's kind of a dumbed down Linux thing, but it's still Linux nonetheless. And last but not least, we're going to need a thing so that we can see the virtual machine. And for that we are going to use VNC Viewer. What we are going to do now is first we go to andronix, and what we do is, don't worry about that, we hit them with the, let's see, it tells you a bit about the different distributions that you're going to download. I think I want to do Ubuntu, and it's going to give you choice 20.04, 18.04. What's the difference? I don't know. I'm not that into this stuff. I just like doing stuff. Basically, it's giving you different commands that you could put into termux, and that's why you needed termux, because you don't just download it and it's like, oh, here's your APK file. No, it gives you commands to put into termux. These are the desktop environments that you will see using VNC Viewer. XFC, I think I just used that one. So it's gonna download the distro with the command, or yeah, it's gonna download the distro and the desktop environment thing, basically, so that you can see your thing. And simply all you do after you paste it into there is, if it'll pull up my keyboard. Technical difficulties. Keyboard. There we go. No. Pull up. It's a keyboard. Oh. It's because I have it connected to the computer. There we go. I forgot that I had it connected to the computer, so it's like, nah, you don't get to use the on-screen keyboard here. Hello, my good people. Let us take a moment to appreciate the finer things in life, such as the like button and the subscribe button and my social media pages that I have been neglecting. And let's just go press these buttons and follow and follow and subscribe and hit the bell notifications, because yes, those are the finer things in life. And thank you. You may return to the video. All right, so here we are with the we have things happening right here. Basically, what this is going to have you do is set up the desktop environment. So it's going to have you do this where it gives you like low resolution, question, whatever, and just choose whatever you think suits you best. I think I am going to do auto detect dynamic, and then it's going to have you put in or it should have you put in a password or something. Well, now I'm not sure what it's doing. Now I'm confused. So basically, I'm used to doing it on my other phone where I already have everything set up, so I gotta sort of figure out how to do it. I forgot how to set it up. Okay. It happens. Technical difficulties, everybody. Technical difficulties. Go to VNC viewer, and then you set that up. Blah blah blah. You don't have to sign in or anything. I mean, you could sign in, but you don't have to. And then you do that, and let's see. You have to go back here because it's supposed to give us IP address and port. Oh, okay. Localhost 1. I'm guessing the port is 1. Localhost is for any device. 1. I think it was 172. 175. Dang it! What was it? Your boy do be kind of slow sometimes. Let me go here. Localhost IP is 127. Okay, I just had the numbers backwards. 127.0.0.1. And then I said port was 1, I think. If I'm not slow. And then name. Can you create it without a name? Okay, cool. Connect. Unencrypted connection. Okay. Password. Dang it. I don't think I set up the password. Okay, good. There was no password. I don't remember setting up a password, so I guess there wasn't a password. Control the computer. As this is your first time, we'd like to show you some gestures that will Why I say gestures? Gestures that will help you take control. And basically, it just takes you through a little thingy thing. You know, you can pinch to zoom, touch one finger to drag, blah blah, and so on and so forth. It's pretty intuitive. You'll get it on your first try. However, if my brother starts being weird, however, what we'll see here is that we have this little kind of weird, janky looking thing showing the toolbar. Okay, yeah, get rid of the toolbar. It's basically like just a whole Linux thing. It looks kind of janky starting off, but that's only because it doesn't like the connection we have. You can change said settings somewhere, I forgot where. How do you change the settings again? Keep this up real quick. Oh yeah, here we go. So you can go here and change the settings. Desktop size, you can, well, that just shows you some things. Picture quality, that's what it was. Set it to high picture quality, and there we go. Now it looks a lot better. Basically what it's doing is it's trying to stream everything from inside the phone to inside the phone, and you'll be able to change all your settings. As a matter of fact, let me full screen it over here so you can see it better, because I'm too busy looking at it on my screen that I'm forgetting that I'm showing it on the screen. So basically, you could hit them with you can go to the file system, which you can also go to down here. And all the speed of all of this depends on the speed of your device. So if you have kind of a slow phone, then it's going to run slowly. And do not try gaming on it. Do not try gaming. I know that's probably the only reason you'd want to do it, is to play all your favorite Linux games. But no, gaming on it is no bueno. Unless you have like the highest end physical hardware phone, whatever, don't try it. But yeah, here we have it's literally a full operating system within your phone. When I first saw this and I was going through it, I was like, that's whack. That's not real. It's cap. It's cap all day. Nah, it's actually real. Like, hold on. Let's go to the browser. The browser. It's literally Firefox. Failed to execute. Oh, okay. I guess not then. I think we'd have to download Firefox or something first. Let's do. Alright, let's see. Chromium browser. That's why. I thought it was Firefox. It's Chromium. I don't remember what I specifically installed on my other phone. It's probably a different version. But literally, it's a whole computer, a whole Linux operating system, specifically Ubuntu, inside your Android device. I was dead once I realized what was actually going on. First, I was like, straight cap, it looked trash, but that's because I didn't realize that I had to change the graphics settings. And bro. Now, one thing to note, like I said, it takes a lot of processing power to run a whole separate operating system within an operating system. That's why people usually don't do it on their Android phones, because my phone is getting hot right now doing all this. It's literally getting hot right now. It's quite process heavy, but it is fun to mess around with. And I think that's all we have today. Hold on, before we go, time to change the background. I keep forgetting that I had to do it from my keyboard, my physical hardware keyboard. Hit him with that, let's hit him with the chicken nuggies. Actually, never mind, I don't want chicken nuggies. I want, are you gonna pull it up? I don't want chicken nuggies. I want, let's change the background to a picture of ya boy. Let's see, it's Oasi. Let's see what they got on your boy. What is this? Look at this dude. Look at the top of his head. Look at this dude. Alright, let's see. What picture do we want to use? Let's use this one. Let's use this one. Hold on, wait. Cheek? What is it? Why does it say cheek? Okay. Scroll up. Cheek. I am so confused. Something completely unrelated to me. Yeah, of course it is. But yes, anyway, back to what I was doing. Oh no, let's not go to Facebook. Alright, so let's see. Let's take this picture and then save the image. Save the image as, and then we hit them with the, let's just save. I don't feel like typing anything. And then we get out of here. Hit him with that. Hit him with that. Hold up. Hit him with that. Is it desktop settings? Probably. Oh, there we go. Set as wallpaper. I don't know how I didn't get that the first time, but yes. And now, when we minimize, we have your boy as the background on my virtual machine inside my Android device. Yeah, number one in the streets. Boys, we got him. Alright, like and subscribe. Or you get the door. You could hold up, let me full screen my face. Like and subscribe, or you get the door. Follow your boy on his social media, or you get the door. You know you don't want the door. You don't want that door. You really don't want that door. That door ain't nice. That door don't apologize. The door don't say sorry.